All right, now, once you've completed your 10 stretches in less than 5 minutes, the next thing that you want to add are the core strengthening exercises. Now, the purpose of the core strengthening exercises are to help stabilize your spine so that you can hold your adjustments longer, which means that you're less likely to have a relapse. And so what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate 3 core strengthening exercises today. So again, Dr. John's going to demonstrate those. So the first one that you're going to do is called the partial curl. So with the partial curl, you're going to lay on the ground. You're going to have your back nice and relaxed, your knees up, your feet flat on the ground. And now, as you cross your arms, all you're going to do is contract your abdominal muscles enough to get your shoulder blades off the ground. So you're going to come on up, you're going to hold that, and you're going to just hold it for 10 seconds. And then you're going to go ahead and relax. Go ahead and relax, Dr. John. Give yourself a little bit of a break, but then you're going to come up again and you're going to hold it for 10 more seconds. And you're going to repeat that 10 times. So again, you're going to come up, hold it for 10 seconds, repeat it 10 times. Once you've done the partial curl, you're all set there. You can go ahead and turn over. The next one is going to be the plank. And so with the plank, again, you want to be on your toes, on your elbows, and you want to be one straight line. You want to just keep that glute right in line with your shoulders and in the back of your legs. You're going to hold this until fatigue. And so with a plank, it's not a specific time. It's as long as you can hold it until you lose your form. So if you start to shake a little bit too much, if you can't hold your bum in the right position, in other words, if you have to lift it up too high or if it's dropping down too low, that's when you stop. So go ahead and relax, Dr. John. The thing about planks is that it's to resistance, or it's to the point where you're fatigued, because once you go beyond fatigue, that's when the injuries occur. So we don't want you to get to the point where you're going to injure yourself. As soon as you lose your form, now you're going to hold off on the plank. But you can repeat that several times. You might only be able to go 15 seconds, 20 seconds in the beginning. But eventually, if you do that long enough, day after day, week after week, you're going to be able to hold those planks a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes. You'll see once you've done it for a few months. Now, the third core strengthening exercise is going to be the bird dog. So with the bird dog, you're going to be on all fours. And what you're going to do is you're going to lift the opposite arm and leg. So if Dr. John is lifting his left leg, his right leg, he's going to bring up his left arm. And you're just going to point them out. You point the toe out, you point the fingers out, you're going to hold that. Now with this one, again, it's a timed event. So you're going to hold this for 10 seconds. You're going to relax. Go ahead and relax, Dr. John. And now you're going to switch sides. So right arm out, left leg out. Get that leg a little bit lower. There you go, right there, perfect. Now again, nice bird dog position. Hold that for 10 seconds. Go ahead and relax. You can come on up, Dr. John. And then you are going to repeat that 10 times. So again, hold it for 10 seconds, repeat it 10 times. That's going to strengthen the abdominal muscles, the low back muscles, the glute muscles. And again, those 3 exercises will strengthen your core muscles. You'll hold your adjustments longer, and you're less likely to have a relapse. So again, thanks for watching this video. I hope you're getting a lot out of them.